Hi guys, this is 2022 new Land Cruiser Prado 150 series 1GD engine. So I'm going to calibrate for the steering angle sensor, so the initialization. So first we have to check the code with the scan tool. Okay, here the code C1439, steering angle sensor initialization incomplete. So we have to complete this steering angle sensor calibration. So first we have to go to the utility. Okay, here the screen, you can see the now test mode. We have to go to the test mode. Okay, we have to follow up this procedure. Next. Okay, vehicle is level surface, steering is well straight, shift to park, engine is not running, the ignition is on. All okay, go next. Go, keep the vehicle stationary for the 2 seconds or more. Okay, so you can see the traction control light and ABS light both blinking together. So that means is calibration incomplete. So if not working any bulbs blinking and any ABS light or traction control light, it says it's not complete. So both lights are blinking, the saying calibration is complete. And after next, when the ABS VSC light blinks, the calibration is complete. Okay guys, we start the car. The calibration is done. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.